This video is best played in HD quality. Now let's move on to the question. You can now pause and try to answer this question on your own. Now let's tackle it together. First, scan the answer choices vertically, to see if there are any apparent common patterns. In this question there is an obvious 2-to-1 split. Let's review answer choices A and B. These answer choices present faulty comparison. The sentence begins with a prepositional phrase, in Canada, and then it is followed by a non-essential modifier beginning with the comparison marker, like. This means that this modifier is presenting a comparison to a prepositional phrase, in Canada, but this comparison marker, like, can only be used to compare nouns or noun-like constructions, it cannot be used to compare prepositional phrases. Also, in answer choice A, construction, an overwhelming proportion of women, is a quantity expression. Most such expressions, although the words themselves are singular, take grammatically plural forms because they represent quantities that are clearly plural in number. But, ultimately, it depends on meaning. If you're using the proportion as a collective, with an emphasis on something that the group does in a unitary manner, then you use the singular. If you're talking about a proportion, but talking about an action or state in which the individuals partake separately, then you use the plural. In this case, the women are individuals, working at individual jobs, hence we need plural verb, work. The use of the singular verb would wrongly imply that the overwhelming proportion works at the same job, at the same time, as a unit. In addition, answer choice A presents two independent clauses connected with the comma plus and conjunction, implying that two things are true about Canada: 1, an overwhelming proportion of women work, and 2, many are healthcare, educational services, and government agencies, clearly. It is nonsensical to say that people are healthcare, educational services, and government agencies. On the other hand, answer choice B incorrectly connects two independent clauses with just a comma. Two independent clauses can be connected using either a semicolon or comma plus conjunction. Eliminate these answer choices, and move to answer choice E. This answer choice presents a comparison that violates parallelism. The sentence begins with a prepositional phrase, in Canada, and then it is followed by a non-essential modifier beginning with the comparison marker, as. This means that this modifier is presenting a comparison to a prepositional phrase, in Canada, and must create a logical and parallel comparison, namely comparing what happens in Canada to what happens in much of Northern America. Clearly, preposition with doesn't make any sense in the given context. Also, this answer choice commits the same mistake as does answer choice A, using singular verb, works, to refer to a plural quantity of women. The use of the singular verb, works, would wrongly imply that the overwhelming proportion of women works at the same job, at the same time, as a unit. Eliminate this answer choice, and move to answer choice C. In this answer choice, construction, comma plus preposition plus which, plays the same modifying role as does plain, comma plus which, namely, it modifies the noun preceding the comma. In this answer choice construction, many of which, is unidiomatic, because pronoun which, cannot refer to people. To correctly refer to people, we need to use relative pronoun who. So, we have eliminated all four wrong answer choices, and have narrowed down our options to answer choice